In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Hostinger domain. We'll go through the process from inside your Hostinger account, and I'll keep it simple so you can follow along without confusion. If you already know the domain name you want, this should be very quick. And if you're still deciding, the search step will help you see what's available. To begin, go to the home page in Hostinger. This is your main dashboard where you can access the tools and services connected to your account. Starting from the home area makes it easier to navigate directly to the domain section without getting lost in other settings. Once you are on the dashboard, click on Domains. This will take you into the area where you can manage domain-related actions, including searching for new names, checking availability, and purchasing one for your website or project. From there, click on Domain Search. This opens the Domain Finder tool, which is where you'll look up the name you want to register. This step is important because domain availability can change quickly, so using the search tool helps you confirm whether your preferred name is still available. Now, type the domain you want into the search bar and press enter. Hostinger will scan for that exact name and usually show related options as well. If your first choice is already taken, you may see alternative extensions or similar names. Take a moment here to choose carefully, especially if this domain is meant for a business, brand, or long-term project. When you find the domain you want to buy, click Add to Cart. This places the selected domain into your shopping cart so you can move forward with the purchase. Before continuing, it's a good idea to quickly review that you selected the correct spelling and the extension you want, since even a small typo can matter. Next, click Continue to Checkout. This brings you to the purchase summary where you're getting close to completing the order. At this stage, you'll typically review the item in your cart and prepare for payment. Finally, click Choose Payment Method. This is where you select how you'd like to pay for the domain purchase. Once you choose your preferred payment option, you'll be ready to complete the checkout on your side. And that's how to buy a Hostinger domain. If you follow these steps carefully, you can secure your domain in just a few minutes and move one step closer to launching your site.